Good evening, students. Today we can discuss about the sixth paper, that is the sixth semester physics paper. One is that sixth semester physics paper, basic electronics. The basic electronics is having the 4 units, that is network elements and network theorems. The network elements and network theorem, first unit, and second unit is band theory of p-n junction diode and diode of p-n junction diode, and bipolar junction transistor and feedback compact oscillator, feedback oscillator, and last one unit is digital electronics and logic gates. These are the main topics in the eighth paper of physics A. And also we know that is the main thing. Here we know that is all over things, only the network elements and network theory is different from all those things. We know that is here the network theory will be explain the different types of theorems, that is Norton theorem and proportionality theorem, and also maximum power transmission theorem and Thevenin's theorems. The theorems is used to connect the circuits, how to develop a new circuit, and that circuit working principles also it can be explained with the help of these network theorems and elements. Okay, thank you. And also we can explain the different types of two part of network theorems and z parameters, x parameters, and z parameters, y parameters, and h parameters of and a, b, c constants parameters also we can explain deeply in the network element and network theory. Then and second one is band theory of p-n junction diode. The band theory of p-n junction diode is we know the band theory of p-n junction diode is simply used to, there is a p-n junction diode. Here p-n junction diode is there. The junction will be formed how p type of semiconductors and n type of semiconductors, and how to they are used to p type semiconductors and n type semiconductors. It can be work is a p type semiconductor by n type semiconductor form a junction. How that voltage and current regions, how the current voltage graph will be work. In this unit we can learn about band theory and p-n junction diode. And also next we can learn third unit, bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar BJT, it is a simple form BJT, not BJP, it is a BJT, bipolar junction transistor. In this bipolar junction transistor we know p type and n type bipolar junction transistors, PNP transistor and NPN transistor. These are the transistors characteristics and configurations like BC and CE and CC. There is a common base configuration, common emitter configuration, and a common collector configuration. And the next one, feedback amplifiers. The feedback amplifiers and phase shift oscillators, general theory of feedback amplifier we can learn in this unit. And last one is digital electronics and logic gates. Digital electronics we know digital principles, how the principle we can apply the machine languages like a binary system. It can be converted into decimal system converted into binary system, and octa number theory and octa number compositions. Here decimal numbers only we can use 0 or 1. This is known as a binary language code. And logic system, logic gates is used to construct a big ICs with the help of logic gates. That is a OR and NOT and OR gate, OR and NOT gates, OR and NOT gates. The OR and NOT gates are used to construct remaining all those gates. Let us, there is NAND gate and OR gate, exclusive OR gates. Those gates are called universal gates. The gates will be used to explain the different types of constructions of logics and ICs, integrated chips. Okay, these are the brief explanation of the 8th paper, basic electronics. Good evening, students. Bye.
is all effect. They
సేవ్ కావాలి